Alright everyone, this is going to be a new thing. Hopefully it takes off because I love building Legos. So what I'm planning on doing is unpacking a set, building it, and then possibly giving it away to one of our fans. So we'll see how successful this is, and if it is, we'll continue to add. Alright, let's get started. Today we are going to build the Black Panther superhero, which is set number 6099. It is the Rhino face-off situation. Boom. Yeah. It's only 230 pieces, which isn't a whole lot, but you know, we're starting off small and then we'll build from there, and yeah, let's see how it looks. Alright, so like I said, we're going to be building this Black Panther kit. It's got 230 pieces, and if we get, let's say, 100 followers, we will give this thing away. So once I'm done with it, I'll break it back down, pack it back up, and ship it off to one of the 100 people that join up, or more, depending. Anyway, this one should be pretty short. It's a pretty small build, but hopefully it's a lot of fun. Alright, let's get into it. I get the trusty razor knife out. Alright, let's see what we got in here. This thing actually looks pretty cool. I love the Rhino ones. I have the Star Wars Force Awakens little riding thing, and this kind of reminds me of the same deal. It's pretty cool. It's got a little cart on a track. I don't know. We'll see how it all looks when it gets done. So we got, what is it? Bag number 3. The instruction manual. Let's see what we got. Well, there's 2 instruction manuals. What the? Alright. Well, there's book 1, there's book 2. I don't know why you need 2 for such a small set, but it's not me. There we go, some stickers. Yeah. Look at all those. Not very interesting, but, you know, whatever. Let's see, what else do we got? We got bag number 1 here. And bag number 2. So let's start the work. Oh, Black Panther is the one that we get to start with. All right. Let's find him. All right, where is he in this whole thing? Oh yeah, don't mind this. Sorry, accidentally put a hole in this when I was building my Christmas village. It's embarrassing, but whatever. All right, he looks kind of cool. He's pretty sweet. His head's kind of got some cool little dark reddish type color to it. Maybe it's purple. Anyway, that's pretty cute. Let's get into it. I wasn't paying attention. What are we building here? Oh, we're building a little railroad track and the train car. Cool. And of course I dropped one. Man, I'm having a heck of a day. I dropped another one. Again, I need to remember things better. Putting these on backwards already. Some of these pieces might be a little bit rare because it looks like they're almost see-through. Like they have a touch of purple to them, although it might be the reflection off the mat, honestly. And the rest of these crystals go in there, and that's it. See how it works. It's supposed to go. Well, that doesn't really work very well. Shows it flying away. That was not flying away by my terms. Well, let's see how it actually works going across here. So it does work pretty good. There's not a whole lot of wiggly. Let's see. I mean, it does crash. It's just not, you know, flying away like it shows on here. Let's move on. Bag number 2. Oh, we got Killmonger in there. Blah, blah, blah. Just for, like, clarification, I guess. When I send this out, it'll be put back as best I can into the bags. I'm not going to break this down into every little piece. It should be fairly easy to figure out with such a small set, so if we send it out to you guys, you're going to have to figure it out on your own. There's my ears. Alright, there we go. Where are your legs? Where's his leg? Oh, they're there. Alright. His upper stuff is really cool, but I wish they would have done something with the legs on both of them, actually. They're both just solid black. I mean, I don't know. I think both of them could have had like some of this patterning come down, but honestly, I can't remember what they look like in the dang movie, so that could be exactly what they look like, but yeah. Alright, let's build this damn Rhino. Oh, there we go. I'm just blind. Thought it was the big gray one, not the little blue one. I'm assuming this is the tail. Or an ear? I don't know. No, that's got to be a tail, right? That's got to be the tail. Maybe not. I don't know. We'll figure it out. We'll figure it out together, people. Of course, the camera ran out of juice out of nowhere. So now it's plugged into a wall. So now we shouldn't have any more problems. So, this is where we're at. We got, I think, the tail on. But we're building the Rhino body, just in case this really got screwed up. So, let's continue. You know what I noticed didn't come with this is one of these little piece removers. I know they normally don't come with one of these smaller sets, but in this case you're doing a lot of this little work. If I messed it up, it'd be nice to have the pieces, or the ability to remove the pieces anyway. Oh, shit. I skipped a step. I missed that one. All this camera being screwed up got me all wonky. Not sure why they chose these two pieces to put in this middle area, but I'm not a worker at Lego, so it might just be cheaper. Who knows? Either that or it's a rare-ish part and they want people to be able to get it. I don't know. Alright, now we're on the right track again. Sorry if anybody can hear my loud ass computer in the background. Oops, I mean loud A. Computer in the background because I don't know why, but the fan controller is not working right, so it doesn't ever turn down from 150 damn %. It's crazy. It's so loud for no reason. It drives me nuts. So I get to mess around with that for the rest of the weekend, trying to figure it out. That's actually kind of interesting. So they use the angled pieces instead of a flat piece for these also. It's really curious. Don't know why they would do that instead of just doing the regular pieces. Sorry, just trying to figure out this table situation and what works the best for all of us. Alright. Something that you guys can actually see me putting this together while at the same time actually getting to see the rest of this. Man, this this Rhino's got guns. Don't mess with it, kids. 'Cause it will launch bullets off of its shoulders because it's bad. It's a bad mofo. Alright, let's see how bad or good I do at putting this damn sticker on, because normally I'm not great. Got it on there 90%. Got it on there 90% straight. I'm going to count that as a win. Don't nobody give me any guff about it. I think it looks pretty dang good. Alright. Oh, we got quite a few extra pieces, which concerns me, but we're just gonna say I didn't miss anything. These plain legs are still killing me. Just these black pants, it just doesn't, I don't know, just doesn't do it for me, which is a problem. I don't know. Makes the characters seem a little bit cheap. Especially since they all three have the same black pants. And I am almost certain that this little dude here did not have black pants on in the movie. Could be horribly wrong. Again, haven't watched it since it came out, but I am almost certain that if I'm wrong, somebody that watches this video is going to scream at me on the internets. Because why not, right? number 8 here. Oh. I don't know why they each have their own thing. But again, let's see if I can actually get this on here. Mostly in the center. I did less of a good job there. Still, I don't know. 80%, I'll count it. Whatever. I'm bad at this. One downside for you peeps is that since I'm putting these stickers on, if I send this out to one of you guys are stuck with however I put these suckers on, so too bad for you. But otherwise you're getting a rad set. Okay, I don't know why it's got me doing this part first. Instead of building the other 2 legs, but ooh, that one I got to go on there. Perfect. Look at how beautiful that is. Boom. On there. Great. Oh yeah, the little kick pad's got a couple of scrapes in it. Oops, putting it on backwards. Oopsie, I put that on upside down. Whatever. Well, let's put. Maybe I'll be able to get it off. Hold on, let me see. That's gonna drive me crazy. What do you guys think? Can I get this off without fudging it up? Oh, I think I got it. Yeah, I got it. And I didn't even remove any of the stickiness. It's a good thing you got like 24 hours, right? See, didn't even really mess it up. Boom, it's on there. And in the proper way this time. Apparently I'm terrible at following directions. It is the tail. Haha, I knew it was. What kind of beast would it be without a tail? That one I got dead center. That one's a good one there. Got those suckers on there good too. Now I just need to not screw up the rest of it. That'd be a bonus. Haha. Again, I think that was pretty darn successful. Boom. Nothing wrong with that one. It's a little bit off. Again, I'm going to count that as like a 90, so that's a passing score, right guys? Oops. Oh, this must be the ears. That's what I'm building. The ears of this angry rhino. Stinking thing is trying to roll up on me. Look at this. Aha. Problem solved. The rhino strikes again. Oh, this is the rhino's snout, man. You guys better watch out. He's gonna crush you. Oh. Nope, I want this big one. Boom. That's what I'm talking about. Better watch it or you'll get gored. Oof, that one's crooked. Sorry, guys. Make sure I get it orientated right. Don't want to have another mistake. That would be embarrassing. Try to get this one a little bit more centered. The other one looks awful. So again, sorry for that, guys. Alright, then we got a handful of leftover pieces, which is always good. Let's load the guns up. It's a little bit annoying. The way the guns load, you basically have to move the Rhino's head out of the way. Otherwise, it is a pain in the butt to load them. It's still a pain in the butt to load them because the dang things are mounted right over the shoulders and it really... See how cramped that is? That is super narrow. That's for little kid fingers, so... That is not great for other people. Ooh, you can even tilt the head. That's awesome. You can have one foot stomping up on either side. And he's ready to rock. Let's put some Killmonger on top here. So he's riding it. So, I don't know. How do you guys like this set? I mean, obviously, even if it's not the greatest set in the world, like some of my other ones are, I still think it's really cool. Just for the Black Panther character, I think this thing's really cool. Same with the Killmonger. I don't know how to spell her. Say the name. It's Oki. I'm gonna say that's her name. Whatever. Just kind of looks bland to me because of the pants, and they didn't give her anything else, like the cape or nothing. So you're kind of just blah. But otherwise, for I don't know. I think I paid $15 for this thing. It's a fun little build. I think it'll like kids who are fans of the Black Panther, or if you're looking for the minifigs, this is a good box. Otherwise, I would suggest getting something like the Spider-Man, what do you call it? The Bridge Battle. That one's super cool. That's the one I got here. Let's zoom in on it a little bit. Why not, right? See, that thing looks super rad. And there's a ton of minifigs that come with it. Or, I have the fire truck up above it, and another one of the Spider-Man groups, which is both really cool. Let's see. Oh, and you guys get to see all my board games. So hopefully you got to see enough of my hands. I know they're not the best looking hands, but you know, whatever. We'll set up a competition or a sweepstakes or whatever. Probably be, if we reach 100 followers, one of how many ever subscribe to the channel will get it. So that includes even people who are already following, so don't worry if you already are a follower. Alright, you guys have a good one. I will package this back up and prepare to send it out. So you and 100 friends need to subscribe to the channel so you guys can have the chance to win this thing.